Hi guys, Michelle from Liking Our Love.
Hi guys, Lisa from Liking Our Love.
Hi, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own fruit smoothie at home with just a few ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need some apple juice, 2 frozen ripe bananas, and then a 16-ounce bag of mixed fruit. This is a blend. Hold on, baby. This is a blend of pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango. Okay, so to your blender, you're gonna add about 12 ounces of the apple juice. Then you add your 2 frozen bananas. These bananas are just cut in half. I like to freeze them, just keep them in the freezer in advance. Anytime my bananas are turning brown, I just put them in these little Ziploc bags and put the Ziploc bags inside a big freezer bag and keep them all in the freezer so they'll be ready for whenever I want to make a smoothie. So you put your bananas in there and also add your mixed fruit. And that's it. So you can go ahead and close up your blender and let me lock this in. And you're gonna go ahead and blend it. Oops, I guess I should turn it on. Okay, so it's still pretty chunky, so I'm gonna add some more apple juice. The rest? Okay, I'll put the rest. Just a little bit more apple juice, and then I'm gonna blend it again.
If you blend it with no lid, Mommy, it will splash everywhere.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. Okay, right now it's really thick. I do like it thick, but I'm gonna get it a little bit thinner than this. So I'm gonna put in just a little bit more apple juice and blend it one last time. Okay, it's all finished. If you like your milkshake, if you like your smoothie to be thinner, you can keep adding juice. Or if you like it to be thicker, just don't add quite as much juice. But that's about where I want to get it right now. I ended up making about 44 ounces. So I'm going to be able to share it with my family. It came out nice and thick. It's really easy to make, just a few ingredients, and you can save a lot of money by making your own smoothies at home. So I hope you try it. Let me know how you like it.
Good.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.